My name is Nigel Crisp, and I'm delighted to be joining you for this webinar organised by the Asian Development Bank and Tongji University on healthy cities in the post-COVID era. Now, my background is that I was Chief Executive of the National Health Service here in England for 6 years, and I was also head of the Department of Health. And so you won't be surprised to know that my perspective is going to be health. And I'm going to be talking about the human aspects, the people and community aspects, rather than some of the perhaps more technical things to do with planning and perhaps engineering and other things such as that. I want to talk to you about how health is created and what the role is of the residents, the community, how it's created by civil society and in communities and in the family and by employers and by schools and by education institutes of all different sorts. And I also want to talk about the role of the professionals, whether these are professionals, health professionals, whether they're planning professionals, whether they're engineering, whether they're dealing with transport or whatever else it is, whatever contribution they make with their expertise as urbanists to creating healthy cities for the future. And taken together, the whole theme of what I'm going to be talking about really is that the health of the individual, the health of each of us, is intimately connected to the health of our community and intimately connected to the health of society at large and ultimately to the health of the planet. And that by thinking about the contributions of all of us to health, we can get a new way of thinking about creating healthy cities for the future.